my mommy, oh, want my mom. Want my baby, oh, want my mom. Mama no, oh, want my mom. Mama lola, oh, want my mom. Hey, want my mommy, oh.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Aloha IBK. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today's video is going to be a talk through of my everyday not so natural makeup look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on taking. So I'm just starting out by priming my eyes with my concealer, you know, the red dag stuff, and I'm going in with the Nubian palette from Juvias place. I'm going in with that color as my first transition color of this look. I'm trying to keep this look really neutral, really blended out, nothing too crazy, but a little crazy, if you know what I mean. So I'm going in with that second color there to just add more transition to my eye. So I'm going in with that color right there just to darken my crease a little bit, because I feel like I look weird when I have foundation on and I have no deepened crease. So to darken it even further, I am lightly going in with that dark brown to just darken it a little bit more, just so that it's more prominent. So I'm going in with my concealer to clean up my look, not really creating a true cut crease, but I'm just cleaning it up for my eyeshadow that I'm going to be putting on my lid. And for this, you don't have to be as neat as possible, but try to be a little bit neat. So for this part, you don't have to be perfect. I'm going in with this gold color and applying it to my eyelid, just trying to keep it in that one area. I'm going back in with that crease color just to darken it a little bit in case I submerged it with the gold look. And as you can see, I'm doing my eyeliner now using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, the best eyeliner to use for beginner or a expert. So I'm priming my face with a regular primer, not too big of a deal, and then I'm going in with my Maybelline Poreless Finish Primer on top of that, just to make sure I have a flawless finish. So I'm using my new favorite foundation, Born This Way from Too Faced, and I'm using a brush to apply it to my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender to blend it out. I found that this foundation works best when you just tap it and spread it instead of like brushing it in. To conceal my face, I used two concealers, both from LA Girls Pro Concealer, one in the color Toffee and then the other color in Cool Tan. So I'm just going to apply it to my face. I'm chatting here, don't mind me. So I'm just going to put the Cool Tan on top of my Toffee, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Contour my face, I use Anastasia cream contour kit, and I use the darkest color on my cheeks, around my face, etc. And then to contour my nose, I use the lightest darkest color from the palette. I'm giving myself a cute little button nose. You're gonna see that soon, just wait. Yeah, right there. To set my face, I use the same thing that I always do. I use SASHA BUTTERCUP setting powder, and I'm just applying it everywhere that I put my concealer. Just brushing away that powder, and as I'm brushing away, I'm then going to be using a brown contour powder to set my contour, and then a nice little pink blush from that palette as well to put blush on my cheekbones. To make my face glow, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter at the highest of my cheekbones, my nose, inner corner of my eyes, my eyebrow bone, my soul, everywhere. And for my lips, I use the same lip combo, Color Pop Lippie in Pitch, and then the lip gloss in Fudge, and you know, that's it. That's how I keep myself popping. And that's it for my everyday, not so natural look for you guys. If you guys really enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh God.